All right, I'm moving across the top. So I went from page 36 across the top to page 37 because in my mind, it makes more sense to talk about the nervous system next and then the endocrine system. And that's kind of the order that we're going to be going in this semester. So these are all systems that we will be talking about in A&P 1. So a little bit, nervous system we get into at the beginning of A&P 2, but still it makes sense to talk about it now. So we had said we have this system of bones and muscles which allow us to move. And so you might say another way of saying that is it allows us to react. We can react to things. And why would we react? Because our brain says that, there's a bug on your skin and you need to smack it, right? You got a mosquito biting you. You don't just sit there like a lump on the log and let him. You smack him. So how does that happen? So you have sensory structures, part of the nervous system. It consists of your brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves and cranial nerves and sensory structures. Those are the structures that are present there. And what do? Well, they allow you to react. They also are involved in things like control mechanisms. So I had said that if I don't breathe or my heart doesn't beat, I will die. Well, that's controlled. It changes in your heart rate. It comes from the nervous system. Breathing is controlled by your nervous system. Signals that are sent from your nervous system. So all of this physiology, whether you're aware of it or not, is controlled by the nervous system. Now, and so what we've said, we have the principal organs of the nervous system are the brain, the spinal cord, cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and then sensory organs or structures. All right, so physiology is controlled by the nervous system and one other system. The endocrine system. The endocrine system is the system of hormones and glands that produce hormones. If someone is, moody on occasion, you say, oh, it's hormonal, right? I mean, so there are chemicals that are released that are involved in controlling physiology. We have two different systems, the nervous system and the endocrine system. Now, the endocrine system, it controls, you might say, why do we need these two systems when we've got one that you would think would work perfectly fine? But there are certain kinds of physiologies that need to be controlled over a much longer time frame. The nervous system is snap, snap, milliseconds, really quick. Endocrine system can have an effect over a long period of time. So chemicals that are chemical signals, that's what a hormone is, control the types of physiologies that need to have a long duration signal. So the endocrine systems, these are all these glands. The pituitary gland in your brain, the hypothalamus in your brain, these are various glands. The thyroid gland, the thymus, your pancreas, your kidneys and adrenal glands. All of these are major secretors of hormones. So the control of physiology by chemical signals, hormones, is from the endocrine system.